At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
A very privileged good morning to respected Principal Mrs. Nutan Kamre Ma'am, Vice Principal Mrs. Kanchan Kadu Ma'am, teachers and dear friends. On this 75th Independence Day of our nation India, I, Parth Lapalekar of class 9th A, feels highly honored to deliver a speech on the importance of Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year as the National Festival of India. India became independent after a lot of hardships and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. This day marks as the end of British rule and is celebrated with great enthusiasm and patriotism. This year we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. On this day, we honor the memory of the great warriors and freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives to make India an independent nation. We pay tribute to our leaders Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajguru, Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and our other leaders who struggled to make our country free. We should remember the teachings of our great leaders like Gandhiji's non-violence and philosophy and should follow it in our lives. After independence, we got our own constitution and are able to enjoy our fundamental rights. We should be proud to be an Indian and should admire our fortune to have been born in the land of independent India. It is an important day in Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian citizen. On this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, national flag is unfurled and the national anthem is recited by the people across the country. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort in New Delhi, followed by parade by military and police forces. Our tricolor flag is also unfurled at schools and various government buildings. We, the citizens of India, must pledge to carry on the legacy to make our country proud every moment. Let's pray for our bright and secure future and understand our responsibilities. On this day, let us contribute for the development of our motherland. Bharat Mata ki Jai! Jai Hind!
प्यार का चमन, मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। है वतन है वतन है वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। है वतन है वतन है वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। इसके मिट्टी से बने तेरे मेरे बदन, इसके धरती तेरे मेरे वास्ते गगन, इसने ही सिखाया हमको जीने का चलन, जीने का चलन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। है वतन है वतन है वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे